Okay, so now we are going to talk about how to change the font on your digital display. So this is the current font, and unfortunately in Skoda you only get two options. One is this font and the other is a font which is in the regular Octavias, and it changes the look or the feel of the cluster a little bit. So right now if you notice, my speed I have already coded to 280. That I'll show you guys later. I think I posted a link also of the picture on how to code this. So now let's change the font into the normal Octavia font. So the way you do that is you go into instruments, which is 17, right? Click on instruments. Now there are two ways of doing it. One is through the coding and the other is through adaptations. I prefer the adaptations way for doing things because it doesn't allow you to fuck things up on the controller coding, but if you are comfortable with coding, you can do it through coding also. So both ways result in the same thing, so you can go around it in either way. So in adaptation, I open adaptation. So in the search menu, I just type in TUBE, tube. Now that should bring up only the adaptations that have the tube word in it. So you see tube illustration. I go to tube illustration. Now version 3 is for the VRS, and that's the existing value. If you scroll down here, there's a lot of versions over here. All of these are same basically. There's only two versions, version 3 and the rest of the versions, which are all of the same font. So let's say I select version 2. I say do it. It says old value 3, new value 2, replace, yes. So this is the old value, this is what 3 looks like. And now when I select 2, coding accepted, and this is what 2 looks like. So you see it looks a lot cleaner also. This is the font setting you get in the normal Octavia. Also, since my 280 cluster is there, so it's all the smaller numbers are now all within the cluster only, on the outside rim, not on the inside rim like I had on the VRS mode. So now if I want to go back here, I'll go here, select version 3, I hit do it, step 2, yes, and it's back to the old one. That's how easy it is. So let's, just for fun, let's look at some of the other versions that are there. Like I said, there are only two versions, so no matter what you select, the version remains the same. I say version 8 I select over here. Version 8, this is the current version 3. Go to version 8, let's do it. Replace version 8, which is essentially the same as version 3. And version 2 we selected earlier. That's version 8, just to double check. So we're going to select version 2 now. Is there any difference here between the two? I hit do it. It says yes. Let's see, yes, do it. Read the control channel again. And I come back here. No, there is no difference. So there are only two versions, like I said. One is the VRS version, one is the regular Octavia version. This is the regular Octavia version. And I'm going to go back to the VRS version. If I click over here, VRS version is version 3, and I say do it. Done.